Hey guys, we're gonna probably work on the corn planter some today, and then it's Saturday. It's a nice day right now, but they're calling for more rain again tonight, so we'll see what we can get into today. We've got a couple the fertilizer openers on our planter. We got a couple of the brackets that are broke or bent and need welded. So this first one right here, it's got a fracture there and it's pulled down away from the frame here. So it's hitting back here at our road cleaner, so we're gonna hook the skid loader to it and pull it straight, and I'll load that up. So we'll see what we get into today. We're pulling the oil. Now the planting tractor, gonna change it and put new oil filters on it. So we'll get you some video of that. I've already got the oil drained out. 1 5-gallon bucket's gonna catch it. I didn't figure it would. This is the oil filter we're pulling off. We're only doing oil because we put new fuel filter on it last fall. Always want to check, make sure your old O-ring doesn't stick. Right. That's right. I'm going to take some oil that's dripping from it and wipe on the O-ring so it doesn't snag and tear when you're screwing the new filter back on. While we're all under here, and put the drain plug back in. This tractor, it has the I can't remember their term for it, but the front axle steer individual, the pivot in the middle for row crop work. It's still got the cylinder stops on it, but we've never used it for anything, but kind of a neat feature. hope it's down here underneath. And we're gonna clean it up and put the drain plug on. We're filling it up well now. We're running Shell Rotella 1540 weight in it. It's going to take about 4 gallons. I don't know the exact amount of oil it requires, but about 4 gallons come out of it, so that's where we'll start. We got the oil changed and filled up. We're going to start it, make sure the oil's not leaking around the filter. Guys, it's raining again. It started out a pretty nice day, but it didn't last. They've said this has already been the wettest March and April we've had in a long time, right next to last year. So we're gonna be a ways off on getting anything planting done for a while yet. And still a lot of people that got some ground to be worked. That'll probably be all for this video. So thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe and tell anybody else you know about these videos.